Kagan?
I think I'm confused, General, because I thought you told me that the City of Brigham standard is not the same as the Terry stop standard, and that you were not asking for the latter.
It's not. It's not in all cases. The Brigham City standard is the Brigham City standard. In terms of the degree of certainty, it can vacillate between probable cause and reasonable suspicion.
Okay.
The text is just more complex than that.
Thank you.
Ms. Gorsuch, Ms. Campbell, Justice Barrett?
You might be better off just sticking with Brigham City. I think maybe what you're saying is that in some circumstances, applying reasonable suspicion or objective reasonableness in the Brigham City sense might yield the same result. Just like sometimes applying Brigham City and probable cause, whatever it might mean in this context, might yield the same result. But are you really saying that we should do something different than in Brigham City, or muddy the waters by saying, oh, you know, objectively reasonable basis, but could be reasonable suspicion?
You're correct on the first part, on the former. We are not saying that that Brigham City means reasonable suspicion. What we're saying is, in some instances, it could, as you said, Justice Barrett, yield a result like reasonable suspicion, just like it could yield a result like probable cause.
Well, we don't need to say that. I think that would be confusing. I think we could just say Brigham City, objectively reasonable basis to believe, and put a period on that.
I agree, Justice Barrett.
Okay, thanks.